This video tutorial I will explain timer task and timer. Timer is an utility class. Using timer, we can schedule a task at a specific time or we can schedule a task repeatedly. Here using timer, we have scheduled two tasks. Task 1 is repeated task, which is clean up files at 7 p.m. on a daily basis. Task 2 is one time task. It will send a reminder email at 8 a.m. Timer class is thread safe, so multiple threads can share one timer object. Timer task internally uses a task queue to manage the task internally. Only one thread can execute timer task at a time. Suppose we are executing a task at every 5 seconds, but the actual execution itself taking 10 seconds. Then the subsequent task will be added to the queue, and as soon as the current execution completes, it will notify, and another thread will start the pending task. Timer task is a task which will be executed at a specific time. To create a task, we need to extend timer task class. Here I have defined a class cleanup task which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined the class email task which extends timer task and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined the class timer demo. Here I have created timer object, cleanup task and email task. Using timer object, I am scheduling email task for one-time execution. Here I am scheduling cleanup task for repeated execution. Here you can see the output. Email task has been executed one time and cleanup task is executing repeatedly. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.